Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abhishek Mamidi. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will see how to create a good LinkedIn profile. If you are new to LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a social network platform that mainly focuses on professional networking and career development. This platform is mainly for students and professionals who love networking or looking for a job. So there are a lot of people on LinkedIn and you can connect with people who are working in different companies. You can directly connect with HRs of different companies or you can connect with people and ask them to refer you in their company. So you can do a lot of things on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, there are different types of people. Some of them share the latest developments that are happening in the field. Some of them share their experiences. Some of them share their startup failures and some of them motivate others. So there are different types of people on LinkedIn. And using LinkedIn, it's a win-win situation for both companies and professionals because companies post jobs on LinkedIn and also HRs look out for people who are suitable for a particular role. And at the same time, students can reach out to HRs and share their resume as well. And they can also connect with people who are working in a particular company and ask them to refer as well. So, as I said, LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that helps everyone. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, make sure to create one. This will really help you in your professional journey. Now you know how LinkedIn works. Everyone wants companies or HRs to see your profile and reach you and offer you an opportunity. So who wants to lose this opportunity, right? So that's why you don't know when this opportunity comes. That's why it's always suggested to maintain a good LinkedIn profile. And that is what we are going to discuss in the rest of the video. Let's get started. Let me ask you this question. What are the main components you see when you read posts or comments? Let me show you an example. So this is my post and this is my comment. When you see my post or comment, what are the main components you're seeing? So when you see this, mainly you see my name and my profile picture and my tagline or the headline, right? So these are the three things you see when you read some comment or read some posts. So that's why name, profile picture and headline are the most important things. Name doesn't matter much because it's your name. You cannot change it, right? And the next two things are profile picture and headline. Make sure that you have a good profile picture that looks professional. If you see my profile picture, I think, yeah, this looks really professional. And a good headline that mainly focuses on what you do or what you are looking for. So if you see my headline mainly focuses on what I do. So I am currently working as a data scientist and I am a YouTuber and tech blogger and I studied at Truleti City. The probability of clicking on your profile mainly depends on these two, profile picture and headline, because those are the two things someone sees when they are browsing the feed, right? So first impression is the best impression. So that's why spend some time and make sure you have a good profile picture and a good headline. And the next thing is cover photo. It's better to have a cover photo. I don't think this will have a huge impact on your profile, but it's always have a good cover photo, right? So that your profile looks complete. I have been on LinkedIn for almost like 4 years, but for the first 2.5 years, I did not have any cover photo. I don't think it had a huge impact on my profile, but I suggest you to keep a cover photo so that your profile looks complete. There are also two options here. You can show recruiters that you are open to work, and also if you are an HR, you can also share that you are hiring candidates. Let's go through about section. I would say about section is the heart of your LinkedIn profile because when someone comes to your profile, they will read your about section. They will not go through your profile picture and headline because they came from there itself, right? So this is where you can elaborate on what you do, your interests, what are you looking for, and you can also redirect them to your different platforms like YouTube, data science blog, or GitHub, and it can be anything, right? So if you are a student, you can also mention your skills, projects, and sometimes you can also mention your email ID so that HRs will directly contact you. It's not only for HR, it can be anyone who wants to team up with you or collaborate with you. It will be helpful for everyone, not only for HRs. Currently, I'm not looking for any job, but I am looking for people who want to discuss any new ideas and also team up for hackathons. If you see my about section, I'm open to share my projects, discuss new ideas at any time. I'm also open to team up to participate in hackathons or start a new interesting and impactful project. So mostly I'm free on Saturdays and Sundays, and in my free time I make videos or write articles. And at the same time, instead of doing that, I am also okay to participate in hackathons or start a new interesting project as a side project. right? So that's why I want my followers to reach out to me if they want to participate in hackathons or if they're looking for someone to team up. So that is my main goal. You can also tag your GitHub link here so that they will get to know what are the projects you have done, and they can see your skills, right? And the next section is feature section. In this feature section, you can feature some of your posts or articles that you have published. If you see my section, so I have featured my YouTube channel post and then my job update. I also highly suggest to upload your resume as well. If someone wants to see your skills or your resume, they can directly download your resume from here and go through that. If you don't have your resume here, they have to reach out to you and then you have to respond and then you have to send your resume to them. It's a time taking process, right? So that's why it's always suggested to upload your updated resume here. This will save a lot of time to everyone. And then we have experience section. So experience section is really important in addition to about section, because most of them see your experience, how much experience you are you a fresher or are you looking for a jobs. So in this section you can mention all the internships and job experience you have. So coming to my experience section, I have mentioned my summer internships and teaching assistant experience and also my job update. So these are the main things I have focused on. This section is mainly to see your growth and stability, right? Because everyone wants you to grow in your professional journey. No one wants you to stay in a particular job or particular role for a long time. Even if you are working in one company, then you will be promoted for every 2 to 3 years, right? So everyone wants you to see that growth, whether you are growing in a particular company or are you growing in your role. So that's the main point of updating your experience section. And then you can just update your education section. And coming to licenses and certifications, if you have any certifications, do keep them here because in addition to your job or college work, this is an extra effort that you're keeping in to achieve this certificate, right? You must be doing a lot of assignments or projects during this certificate, and you can mention those projects in the below section. But yeah, do keep all the certifications here because this will tell how passionate you are in learning new things. I would suggest one thing: don't stop learning at any point in life. If you stop learning, it is just the end of your professional journey. So that's why don't stop your learning and add certifications to your profile. And the next section is skills and endorsements. You can update all your skills you have in this section, and people who have worked with you or your classmates or co-workers can come here and just endorse your skills. This will tell that you are really mastered or really good at this skill. I want to share one thing here. Please don't spam this section because I have seen people who just connect with me and ask me to endorse their skills. That doesn't work like that. If you just do this section will just lose its value in some time. But remember that you can always ask the people with whom you have worked to endorse your skills. Because some random person is asking me to endorse their skills, I don't know their skill set, right? I haven't worked with them or I haven't gone through their posts or projects. So that doesn't make sense. But at least they can send their GitHub profile or so, and I can go through their GitHub projects. And based on that, I can analyze what skill set he has or she has, and then based on that I can endorse them. But just don't ask random people to endorse your skills. That is not a good sign, right? And coming to the next section, you have accomplishments. This is one of the best section in your LinkedIn profile. If you click on this, you can add your publications, patents, courses, projects, honors and awards, test scores. You can also take tests on LinkedIn, and languages and organization, right? In my profile I've added the courses that I have done during my BTech and also the projects, and for each project I have described in a couple of points. So I have mentioned what's the main goal of the project and what are the experiments that I have done during the project, because you must be working on a project for almost like 2 to 3 months. So mention all the experience that you have done, and also if you have developed something new, you can also mention those as well. And then coming to honors and awards, I was in Dean's List for almost 3 semesters. I have mentioned those, and also I have mentioned some of the hackathons that I have participated in. So you can also mention all those certificates and your accomplishments in your honors and awards section. I think I have covered most of the things that you can update in your LinkedIn profile. But yeah, one thing I want to cover is this is one of the most important thing. Most of the people don't know about this. You can change your URL. If you have created your profile recently, your URL name will be Abhishek Mamidi hyphen and some random digits. So that's why it's better to change your URL name to your name and remove those random digits. Because if you are sharing your URL with HRs, or if you are keeping your URL on your resume, that doesn't look good, right? So I will show you how to change your URL name. If you see here, you have edit public profile and URL. If you click on this, you will be redirected to this page. And here you have edit your custom URL. Personalize the URL for your profile. Click on the edit button and change your name here. Change your name as soon as possible, because someone might take your name, and I am lucky enough to get my name Abhishek Mamidi, and I am very thankful that none of them took my name. I think, yeah, I have covered most of the things. You can change your profile picture and headline, and you can upload a cover photo and spend some time on updating your about section, feature some of the posts and upload your resume. The experience is mainly about to see your growth, and add all your internships and your job updates. And in license certificates, you can add all the certifications you have done, because this will tell you how you are interested in learning new domains or new skills. And skills and endorsements, once you acquire some skill, or if you are comfortable with some language, you can add all the skills here, and you can ask people who have worked with you to endorse your skills. At the end, you can add all the accomplishments that you have, the courses that you have done, and also the projects that you have done. Last but not the least, update your URL. I think I have covered most of the things that you can change in your LinkedIn profile. So just update your LinkedIn profile now based on the inputs that I have given in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Meet you in the next video. Till then, don't stop learning.